Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle keychain with Cricut. First, gather your materials. You'll need permanent adhesive vinyl, clear acrylic circle blanks, and transfer tape. Make sure your Cricut machine is powered on and connected. Open Cricut Design Space and prepare your chosen design. A common size for blanks is 2 inches, so size your design slightly smaller, perhaps 1.8 inches, to fit perfectly. Next, let's design and cut. In Cricut Design Space, create your desired image or text. Remember to attach or weld multiple layers so they cut as one piece. Place your permanent vinyl onto a light grip cutting mat, ensuring it's smooth. Select the appropriate material setting for vinyl on your Cricut machine. Load the mat and press the Go button to begin cutting your design with precision. Now for weeding and application. After cutting, carefully remove the excess vinyl from around your design using a weeding tool. Take your transfer tape and place it over your weeded design, rubbing firmly with a scraper to ensure adhesion. Slowly peel the transfer tape, making sure the vinyl sticks to it. Then, carefully position your design onto the clean acrylic blank, pressing down from the center outwards. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Use your scraper tool to smooth out any air bubbles under the vinyl on your acrylic blank. This ensures a professional finish. Next, attach the metal jump ring and split ring to the small hole in your acrylic blank. For extra durability and a glossy look, you might consider applying a thin layer of UV resin or a clear sealant. Your custom keychain is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.